These videos are going viral everywhere right now, and the channels posting them are pulling millions of views with crazy engagement. But there's a problem. Every tutorial I've seen uses paid tools like OpenArt, and not everyone can afford that. So I spent time finding a way to make these videos completely free. And guess what? I did it. The video you're about to see cost me $0 to make. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can make your own. So stay with me and let's begin. First, open ChatGPT, click on Apps, then go to GPTs. Search for Car Evolution and open the GPT model. Hit Start Chat and you'll see two options. One gives you prompts for empty highway scenes, and the other generates prompts for the cars themselves. We're starting with the highway. The GPT will give you a list of locations to choose from, up to 5, or you can type your own. I'm going with Forest Road. After you select it, the GPT gives you 5 detailed prompts you can use to generate your background images. Now we're going to generate those images using Gemini because it uses Nano Banana Pro directly for image generation. Go over to Google, search for Gemini, and open the first link. Switch the model from Fast to Pro, click on Tools, and select Create Images. Go back to ChatGPT, copy one of the location prompts, anyone you like, and paste it into Gemini. Clear the first line that says a wide angle, and then at the end of the prompt, add ratio 9:16 portrait form, and send it. Gemini will analyze the prompt and generate the background image. Download it and save it. And if you don't like the result, just hit rerun or try another prompt from ChatGPT. Now click the plus icon in Gemini and upload the background image you just generated as the reference. Then head back to ChatGPT and type Car Evolution prompts. The GPT will automatically switch modes and start giving you options for classic cars you can build an evolution around. I'm choosing the Jeep Wrangler. The GPT will generate the full evolution timeline along with text-to-image prompts for each model year and one video prompt at the end. Copy the prompt from Model 1, go back to Gemini, paste it, send it, and Gemini will place the car inside your background scene. Download and save the image. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the full prompt for Model 2, return to Gemini, click the pencil icon to edit your previous prompt, delete the old text, paste the new one, and click Update. Let Gemini analyze it, wait a moment, and download the next image. Continue doing this for the entire evolution sequence until you have all your images ready. Once everything is done, it's time to animate them, and for that we're using Flow. Open Flow and choose Frame to Video. Set the ratio to 9:16, set the output to 1, make sure the model is VEO 3.1 fast, and then upload your first image using the first plus icon. Adjust it to portrait, crop it, and save it. Then upload your second image as the second frame. If ChatGPT didn't give you a video prompt earlier, just type Want Video Prompt and it will provide one. Copy that prompt, paste it inside Flow, hit Enter, and wait for the animation to finish. Download the result. Now repeat the process but shift each pair. The second image becomes the first frame, and the third image becomes the second frame, then third and fourth, and so on. Follow this exact format until you've generated all the transition videos between your images. Once everything is ready, open your video editor, I'm using CapCut for this, and import all your clips. Place them in order on the timeline, cut the pulse sections, and add transitions between each scene. I usually go with the mixed transition because it gives a smooth transformation effect from one model to the next. Don't add background music inside the editor yet. Export your final video, and when you upload it to social media, add a trending sound or music. This helps the video reach more people and boosts your views.